There's a company called AOTO. They've been in digital signage for quite some time. They've been in the manufacturing of LED panels. So look at how close I can go to this panel. Look at that. Look at how tight that is.
Yeah.
It is so lifelike. Okay, that's just one panel. Now look at what happens if you get a little bit closer here. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. It's so lifelike that I got to stand back a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this company, when you go into most of the airports around the world, most of the advertising is with a company called JC So AOTO is a supplier to JC has been for years, and that just means they're well respected for being top of their game. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. So I know I just show you so many of these lifelike wow factor things where you're like, it's almost too much. Make sense? It just seems so surreal. Right? Yeah. So let's go around to the other side here. Let's take a look at their stage. Okay. So what they're showing is different products here for indoor and outdoor. And look at this. Now, I don't see where the oh yes, there's the output. There's the stage right there. Okay. I don't think anybody's going to be offended if I just walk by the stage. Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
So you got to look really close up there, but you'll see me. Okay. Got it.
Mhm.
In fact, you know what? I just, at the risk of anybody getting pissed off at me, I'm just going to go through the stage. See that?
Yeah.
See the footage?
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm disappearing off stage. That's how high-end productions are now made. And AOTO is one of those companies that makes the high-end productions. Okay, how's that for wow? So there's the camera system.
Yep.
And if I grabbed the camera right now and came down and pan and tilt and zoom and stuff, you would swear that I was right there
Mhm.
in the future.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's go on and take a look at some more brands here that do wow factor digital signage here at LTI 2023. But I hope you like that as a whoa. Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's super